This is a historic moment in the relationship between India and China. Today, we are launching a new vehicle for advancing cooperation between our two countries. In times to come, this will become one of the most important instruments for deepening our economic partnership and contact between our people. As someone who has been Chief Minister for 13 years and Prime Minister for one, this forum has a special place in my heart. But it is not just my sentiments that lead me to give such importance to this new institution. It comes from the series of conviction born from my experience that states have a vital role to play in the national development. This is especially true for large and populous countries with a high degree of geographical, social and economic diversity. It becomes even more relevant when the constitutional and political systems are in federal in structure. These attributes exist in both India and China, the world's two most populous nations. In India's constitution, state governments have predominant role in economic and social development. The central government creates the macroeconomic environment. It can set the broad social and economic agenda and directions for the nation. It can launch development policies and schemes. It can manage resources. But in the end, the state governments have an important role in their implementation. But as I saw, in my own experience, state governments can take innumerable initiatives for the development of the states. That is the level of autonomy and responsibility that they enjoy under our Constitution. In the same national environment, states are performing at different levels. For business investors too, whether they are Indian or foreign, their journey may begin in Delhi, but their success ultimately depends on state capitals. Many of the critical requirements for success, infrastructure, land utilities, skilled human resources, and many approvals ultimately depend on the state governments. But for me, the involvement of states in our national efforts is not just because of their constitutional and legal responsibilities. It is also stems from a basic management principle. The chances of successes are higher when we create a sense of participation for everyone. When we give everyone a stake in success. That is why I speak of Team India. An international partnership in trade, investments, innovation, technology, tourism, responsibility for their success. I have found both through outbound and inbound state delegations that state level infrastructure can be often more focused and productive. A number of decisions can be taken quickly by the state governments. These interactions also make the state governments more sensitive and aware of the international dynamics and requirements. Therefore, I attach great significance to this forum. It is the first that India has with any country, and it is appropriate that it has started with China. We are two of the world's largest economies and among its fastest growing major economies. We have enormous economic synergies. We also face similar challenges. We have some similar experiences. We have both seen differences in the pace of development in different parts of our countries. Our economic relations are growing rapidly. During Presidency's visit last year, we set for ourselves an ambitious plan to take our economic relations to a new level. We agreed on China setting up 2 industrial parks in India, in Maharashtra and Gujarat. We are pleased that both chief ministers are here. We have agreed on cooperation in the upgrading of India's railway sector. We also have a number of sister city relations. During this visit, we will see the launch of Karnataka Sichua relations and 4 sister city relationship. It is also consistent with the spirit that President Xi began his visit to India in Ahmedabad, and I started the visit in Xi'an. These are welcome developments. We are truly taking our relationship outside our national capitals to state capitals and cities. So, it is a great pleasure for me to join Premier Lee in launching this forum. It will have our full support and I wish it all success.
ये देश आपके लिए है, ये सरकार आपके लिए, बैंक आपके लिए है। आपको एक पैसा देना नहीं है, बैंक का खाता खोलना है, 0 बैलेंस से। लेकिन गरीबों में अमीरी बहुत होती है। अमीरों की गरीबी की तो चर्चा करने की हिम्मत लोगों में कम होती है, लेकिन गरीबों की अमीरी की चर्चा मैं आज करना चाहता हूं।